Hey guys, in today's tutorial we will learn how to use AI software to create some shorts and YouTube videos for your next creation and for your channels. So let's not wasting just time and let's go create it right now. First thing that you want to do is to go to a website called Artflow. Once you're there, just go and look for the sign up button. Right now, let's go to see the prices. So this is the plan that they are working on right now. But at the moment, for this purpose of the tutorial, we will go on the free account. So let's sign up. I love to sign up with the Google. Why? Because it's so fast and it's automatic. Okay, once we're inside, let's go to Story Studio, My Story, and let's create your first story. Right now on the software, there is they're giving you two options. One will be help me to get a story, and this is one that this specific AI will write it for you. The other one is I have a story that we already providing it the storyline that we created. But for this purpose, I will go with the help. Okay, right now what we need to do is just to start answering a few questions. So I will see you later. Let me forward this. Okay, so we answer all the questions. Let's generate the outline. Let's review what it's giving us, all the answers, and let's check if everything is okay. Just check it out. And let's generate. Let's choose the story format. For this purpose, I'm going to do the vertical one. And right now we need to choose our story style. Let's go with the storybook as it recommend already. So probably it's really good. Let's generate and let's wait for the magic begin. Okay, so now this step is very important. And why? Because right now you're doing the last review for the video. So all the changes that you want to make it right now. If you want to change each scenes, what's happened, you can review and press each one of the images and it will pop up the scene. You can play with the characters because each scene also they're giving you two choices from image to choose from. So basically when you're ready, just press generate and create the video. Let's preview our video.
On a sunlit afternoon, a curious little bandit explored the woods. What was that glimmering? A magical camera nestled among the leaves. Eager to learn, the inquisitive creature pressed the shimmering button. In an instant, both were pulled into a swirling whirlpool of light. They surfaced in a magical world below the waves. Fish of every color flitted about, bright coral stretching in every direction. Dazzled by beauty, an eager paw hit the button again. Suddenly, chaos erupted. Fish swarmed in panic, bubbles bubbling everywhere. With wings wide, the sage flyer flapped nervously. "Stay calm, call their names," he advised, guiding the frantic fish back together. Focusing on the fish, peace began to return. Remembering the ocean facts, patience flowed through the underwater realm. Just as calm was found, magic sparkled again. The fish learned about teamwork, their little school swimming as one. Inspired by their adventure, sparks of ideas flickered like stars. They felt a strong urge to share their wisdom with friends. Under a canvas painted by the setting sun, they made their way home. Smiles shared, their hearts brimmed with fulfillment and wonder. Their forest friends gathered, eyes sparkling with curiosity. What stories would unfurl from the magic captured beneath the waves? With excitement, they crafted a tale, sharing the underwater wonders on foliage. Laughter and awe danced among their eager audience. The night, alive with chatter, became a celebration of discovery.
So you got the point. What we need to do right now is just to go and download this. So let's download and upload to YouTube. That's it. If you have any changes you want to do, just do it.